to the National Awareness Campaign launch on International Day of Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. மாண்புமிகு ஆளுநர் அவர்களை வருக வருக என்று வரவேற்கின்றோம். We welcome Dr. Irudayasamy. We welcome Dr. Irudayasamy, Managing Trustee, IRDP Trust, to deliver the welcome address and campaign introduction.
Good afternoon to everybody. It's a great pleasure for me to honor our Governor, Excellency. He is very active in the state and also participating in all the events of our states. And like young and generative and enthusiastic, like whatever we can say, it's not a word to explain about his character. Because I am following him on his Facebook. Every day he is attending a lot of programs and encouraging all people to involve in the nation's development and the state development. So we welcome him and we give a big clap. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And it is our organization working on the drug abuse and alcohol from since you are launching on 25th October 2023 by your honorable acts, you deliver this launching of this campaign. After this launch, 25th October, we reached 25,000 youths in the state, in 13 colleges and 15 schools. So we created an awareness among the youth groups who use the alcohol and drug abuse and de-addiction program. And we find out the issues based on the problems in the psychological issues and then mental issues, stress, depression, and failures. All these leads them to take the drug abuse and alcohol. So in this venture, our organization, Vishwa Research and Development for Rural Workers and Consortium of Health Association International, we strongly working and motivating these youth to away from the drug abuse and from the illicit trafficking. And also, tomorrow we are going to have 25 programs in 2026 to cover 50,000 youths on human chain activities in the 3 states of our India, like Pondicherry, Karnataka and Tamilnadu. We are going to have 25 programs in 25 cities to create a big awareness among the youth groups. 50,000 youths we are going to cover on this. And this program we are officially collaborating with Global Initiatives on Drug Use Prevention. It's a UNODC which is encouraging the global initiatives on drug abuse. And we are also proudly say that we are a partnership with Global Initiatives on Drug Use Prevention and also Vishwa Yuvak Kendra, New Delhi, and Consortium of Health Association International members. And with our team, and we are promoting this awareness education with the youth in the colleges, dropouts, and the children in the schools. All these areas we are giving awareness, and also we are trying to reduce the demand factor in the communities, because once we reduce the demand factor, then the changes will happen. So we are working on awareness, reducing the demand factor, and that means from the youths to get the drugs and alcohol. And also we are rehabilitating through the counseling and rehabilitation and career guidance and placing them in job opportunities. So far we have covered about 2,000 youths to get an opportunity in the employment through our job seeking and job counseling and job placement. So that's how we are working on this drug abuse and illicit trafficking, and we are very proud to be here with our honorable governor. And he is going to launch a national campaign now. We are moving on to the national level because we are covering the southern state, and now we are moving to the national level by this collaboration with the global initiatives on drug use prevention. And it will be a good time for us to work on this drug abuse, and it is mandatory for us to work guide a group with our NGO groups. We have around 400 members in our Consortium of Health Association International. Recently we have a big conference among 400 NGOs. So with these NGOs, we definitely reach out many people, many youths, many children who are affected with this drug abuse and illicit trafficking. And hopefully we will with your support. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Dr. Sharanson, Medical Director, IRTP Trust, and Dr. Regina, Managing Trustee, Mega Trust, will now felicitate the Honorable Governor with a shawl and a memento. Dr. Regina, Managing Trustee, Mega Trust, will now present a memento to the Honorable Governor. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you ma'am, thank you sir. The Honorable Governor will now launch the national campaign on drug abuse and illicit trafficking and distribute the awareness posters. It will be received by Dr. Irdayasamy, Managing Trustee, IRDP Trust, and the other trustee members, Tirumati Maheshwari, Thiru Kalyana Sundaram, Thiru Susai Raj, Thiru Sundari, Thiru John Milton, Thiru Shaktivel, Thiru Solomon, Tirumati Loganayaki, Ms. Sujata, Ms. Shenbagam. Thank you, sir. Thank you. The campaign has been launched. Now the Honorable Governor will give away the posters to the trustee members. Tirumati Maheshwari, Thiru Kalyan Sundaram, Thiru Susai Raj, Thiru Sundari, Thiru John Milton, Thiru Shaktivel, Thiru Solomon, Ms. Loganayaki, Ms. Sujata, Ms. Shenbagam, and Mr. Narasimhan will receive the posters from the Honorable Governor.
Sir, phone down.